Hey guys, Angel here with the Bullish Bears team, and I am making the watch list for tomorrow, November the 8th. And because it's a Friday, it's just going to be a day trade watch list, so we don't do swings over the weekend, just because anything can happen over those few days that can change the direction of a stock come Monday morning. So we stick to the day trade only. So I have the S&P futures pulled up. You can see that it made an all-time high today and then took a little bit of a dump. So not totally surprising, as it doesn't have any realm of resistance overhead. So makes a new high. It corrects a little bit, makes new high, corrects a little bit. So we'll just have to wait and see what it does tomorrow going into a Friday. So let's take a look at IVC. And I don't like the big gap up. You can see this double bottom here, and then it just on earnings gapped up. So I don't love that. I'm not going to put that on because it could go either way tomorrow. Let's take a look at BCOM. So it's been just tangled up, trading sideways, got volume today, push price up. Let me look at the hourly, see if there's anything I like about it on the hourly. Oh, look at that. Made a pre-market high of 189 back in July. Hit that today and fell. So you know what? I'm not going to put that on. Let's take a look at COLL. Again, had earnings. We already had a previously marked out resistance line here from when we've looked at it in the past. It hit that and fell again. This one is easy to borrow, so you could take a bearish trade on it. Let me look at the hourly. What does the hourly look like? So the hourly has a bit of a bull flag on it. Did close above the moving averages. Would run into resistance at $19 and then $20. I think I'll put it on for a continuation day because of the bull flag on the hourly. Bull flag on hourly. Watch for resistance around, wow, I can't spell today, resistance around $19 and $20. So that's COLL. Let's take a look at COMM. Again, earnings broke out of this resistance level, popped up near its highs. It's going to run into resistance. It's going to run into resistance around $15.50 if it can break $15 tomorrow. You can see bull flag starting to break out again. So I'm going to put that on just in case we get a continuation of the breakout that occurred towards the end of the day. Bull flag break on hourly. Look for possible continuation with resistance around $15.50. See if price can break 15. Okay, we have enough room. If we go too far in this note, you guys won't be able to see it. So I have to keep it sort of simple. CLSK. Let's see, the 50 is at 73 cents close, just barely below it. Was holding near its highs. Let's look at the hourly. What does the hourly show us? I don't like this bearish doji candle, so I'm not going to put that on the watch list. ANTR. GI. Nope, don't like that. EMAN. Okay, gapped up on earnings. Moving averages are touching. They want to pinch and cross. Closed above the 50. Next level of resistance is around this 200 SMA. Let's look at the hourly. I don't like it. I don't like a penny stock going into Friday with that gap because of earnings, so I'm not going to put that on. Let's take a look at CLVS, another one with earnings. Whoops. Such a teeny tiny doji you can't even see it, so I'm not going to put that on. ESTE. Okay, so this one has this double bottom here, kind of a cup as well. Close right at this 200 SMA. So if it can get above the 200 SMA, the next level of resistance is around $6. Let's take a look at the hourly, see what the hourly is showing us. It's writing the 9 on the hourly. So I'm going to put this one on because of that double bottom. If it can stay above the 200, watch for $6. Double bottom on daily. If price can stay above 200 SMA, watch for resistance around $6. That is ESTE. Let's take a look at GTS. Okay, earnings again. I'm not a big fan of playing earnings. Let's take a look at the hourly. Don't like that wick. I don't want to put so many more expensive stocks on the watch list, so I'm going to skip it. AACH. Okay. Oh, I had this one on the watch list already for this week. I had it at or above 75 cents, and then it went up to 119 yesterday, so it was on the watch list for yesterday, and you could have made a nice little amount of money on that. So I'm not going to put that on for today because it's already been on. Okay, GE or JE. Got this gap that starts at 240 and then it's got the top of the gap at this 200. You can see this big bull pennant on the 5-minute. Let's look at the hourly. Ew, nope, see, it couldn't break this 200. You have the cup and the handle with the bull flag, but it's struggling around this 200 SMA, so I'm not going to put that on. BE, I know Lucian had this on the watch list last week. Let's see. So it's going to run into resistance around $6. Let's look at the hourly. So bull flag breaking out on the hourly. I'm going to put it on the watch list. Fix that. Okay, bull flag break on hourly. Watch for possible continuation with resistance around $6. All right, that is BE. Let's take a look at CHRS. And it touched this 50 and rejected, so I'm not going to put that one on. Man, all the expensive stocks had earnings today, so they're moving. Let's take a look at BNGO. Nope, not putting that one on. Let's take a look at CNDT. Nope. I'm going to find some that are under at least $10 for you guys. AVP. Oh wow, Avon is still around? That's amazing. I remember that from when I was a kid. 484 is going to be resistance, which is so close to where it's at now, so I'm not going to put that on. It's too close to resistance. HPR. So I can see this double bottom here, but if we zoom in a little more, let's see, barely closed above the 50, and you can already see right here, this 145 level is a really strong resistance, and I couldn't break it, so I'm not going to put that on because it's way too close to resistance. GNK, nope, don't like that. GSKY. Okay, so this is a morning star pattern right here. You're going to run into resistance around 850. And then it's got this gap to fill. So once it gets above 850, it's going to be around that 200 SMA. Just look at the hourly real quick. So you can see this cup and handle on the hourly. Again, watch out for 850. But that is a nice morning star pattern on the daily. Okay, morning star on, star on daily. Watch for resistance around 850 and top of gap, which is around 10 something. That is GSKY. Let's look at GEN. Nope. DESP. No. CELH. It's right at that 200. It rejected, couldn't break it, so I wouldn't put that on for a Friday. KOS. So you can sort of see this cup handle trying to break out. Let's see. Resistance around 750. That's too close to where it's at right now, so I'm not going to put that on. Let's take a look at DNR. Nope. CECO, no. GFSZF, no. EPZM. So I had this one on the watch list yesterday. It hit a high of 1512 real quick, and then it dumped, so I'm not going to put that back on. CMRX, this is struggling. Potential inverted hammer off this 20, which is an inverted hammer is a reversal candle in an uptrend. I guess you could kind of say it's in an uptrend because it's, I don't like it. Nope. ADRX. So this is a bullish engulfing pattern on the daily. Gonna run to resistance at 548. It is at 548. Not gonna put that on. JAKK. I can already tell that's a no. Nope. GCTAY. No. CNEX. Okay. Had earnings. Had a nice move, but now it's kind of trading sideways, so I'm not going to put that on. CPG. Nope, trapped in moving averages. IFRX. Oof. No, can't even see it. AKS. Ooh, that's really messy. It seems to have a pattern, so I feel like tomorrow's going to be a dump day, which, easy to borrow. You could actually have support at 265, but even then that's only about 12 cents, so that's not that, it doesn't give you that much room to go. LHSF. No, too close to 40 cents. CAAP. No. ENT. No. DTIL. So it's kind of hammering off this 50 here. Next level of resistance is around 950. I'd have to break 875 first, though. Oh, it's a rising wedge on the hourly, and that's a bearish pattern, so I'm not going to put that on. LKCO, no. HEPA, no. FTR, no. And hair is the last one. And that's a no. All right, so that is going to be the watch list for tomorrow. With the market pulling back, it's sort of been not great for setups to trade, which isn't surprising. That happens when the market pulls back. So on a day like tomorrow, if there's nothing great to trade, then just head over here to our website, bullishbears.com. You can take our free courses if you want to just sit in on our trade rooms and listen to Creed in the day trade room and Rose in the swing trade room tomorrow. You can do that. We have our real-time trade alerts that gives you entries and exits for our paid members. So if you want to become a member and get the trade alerts with the entries and exits, then you're just going to want to head right over here to subscribe. We have our 14-day free trial, which is our monthly. Once the 14-day free trial is up, then you will be charged $49 a month. Our yearly is $300, which works itself out to $25 a month, which is half of what the monthly trial is. So you save 50% on what you would be paying if you were going month by month. And we also have our next level training library. So come over here, see what we have to offer under our subscribe page up here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay safe trading, and I will see y'all later.